My best MPC experience was happened last 2007 in Dubai. Ito yung kauna-unahang MPC na umattend ako. And until now, I cannot explain the experience. Alam mo yung pakiramdam na you are surrounded with hundreds or thousands of brothers and sisters worshiping in one God, praying in tongues. Grabe. And pakiramdam mo parang bumukas yung pinto ng langit sa akin. And this year, I'm so excited. This coming October 13th MPC gagawin dito sa Doha. And katulad ko, pwede nyo rin ma-experience ko ano yung na-experience ko. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Register na!